We care about bugs at Southwest Virginia Wildlife Center. There's a lot of animals that depend on bugs, and today we're going to show you some of them. The majority of the baby birds at the center have insects as part of their diet, which makes sense because 96% of land birds in North America feed their babies insects. Without having a strong protein source, the babies won't be able to grow big and strong.
Killdeer like to follow behind farm plows and eat the bugs that are left behind, like worms or insect larvae. Warbling Vireos and other birds whack caterpillars against branches before eating them, and this makes it a lot safer for them to eat.
Carolina wrens can eat a lot of different kinds of food. But did you know that Carolina wren's diet is 94% bugs? Without bugs, we wouldn't have these guys. At the center, especially during the spring and summer, we have so many hungry mouths that need feeding. And a lot of these different birds need different kinds of food to grow big and strong. One of the things that they really like and is really healthy for them is bee larvae, but it's very hard to get. We have some beekeepers that donate spare bee larvae to us that we can feed our birds, and we really appreciate all of their help.
Pileated woodpeckers have helmet-like skulls to protect them as they hammer into trees in search of their favorite food, carpenter ants. At the center, we don't have carpenter ants, so we feed them other insects, such as mealworms. This here is a female pileated woodpecker, and we know that because she doesn't have a red mustache. Scarlet Tanagers specialize in eating bees and wasps, though they do eat a variety of other insects as well. And you might be wondering why the Scarlet Tanager isn't scarlet. This is because only adult males have that red color, and this one's still a little baby.
Chimney swifts catch bugs while flying, pursuing and scooping them out of the air. They're also very unusual in that they perch sideways, unlike other birds. During the spring and fall, you might be lucky enough to see giant flocks of chimney swifts migrating through Blacksburg. Chimney swifts come here for the spring and summer and then go to South America during the fall and winter.
Horned grebes eat fish, crustaceans, and aquatic insects. Another fun fact is that their feet are placed so far back on their body that it's nearly impossible for them to walk on land. Hooded Mergansers dive underwater to catch aquatic insects. They also have a serrated beak, which allows them to catch their prey easier.
Great horned owls will hunt and eat scorpions. Hummingbirds have to eat aphids, spiders, ants, and more in order to survive. It's not just sugar water, folks. They have to eat insects too.
Virginia opossums can eat 5,000 ticks in a single season. That means they're working hard to protect us from harmful diseases. Eastern gray squirrels love eating fruits, veggies, nuts, and insects like cicadas. This is Wally, one of our many educational ambassadors here at the center. Unfortunately, he couldn't be released because he wouldn't survive in the wild. But don't worry, he has a very loving home here.
Bats save Americans up to $53 billion a year by eating bugs. Bats help eat pesky insects like mosquitoes and protect farmers' crops from insects that can cause problems for them. The bat that you see here in this video is a hoary bat. Hoary bats are the largest bat native to Virginia. That means they eat a ton of bugs. Spotted salamanders love eating spiders, millipedes, and insects off the forest floor. Did you know that we live in the salamander capital of the world? It's true. Southwest Virginia is home to many species found nowhere else in the world. And that's not just with salamanders, insects too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new about bugs and their relationship with wildlife. Thanks to the support of people like you, we're able to provide medical care to injured and orphaned wildlife in the New River Valley, the Roanoke Valley, and beyond. Together, we can build a safer world for wildlife and for people. If you'd like to learn more about our organization, you can check us out on these social media links and our website listed here. I'm Haley.
And I'm Misha.
And thank you for checking us out at BugFest.